How to stop seeing TikTok videos which you are not interested in. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video. And on today's video, we will see how to stop seeing TikTok videos which you are not interested in. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. First of all, you have to launch the TikTok application and make sure that you're logged into your account. Now, if you don't want to see the TikTok videos which are less important to you, then you can directly use the not interested option. So for that, navigate to that specific video. For example, I have this video right here. Now, in order to use the not interested option, you have to long press on a video that you dislike, like this. And as you can see, a pop-up box appears in your interface. So from there, all you have to do is tap on not interested from this menu. And with that, TikTok will use this feedback to show fewer similar videos. The second step is to either unfollow or block the unwanted creator if specific creators post content that you dislike. So for that, all you can do is visit their profile and you can simply unfollow that creator. And these are the way to do if you want to stop seeing videos which you are not interested in. And that's all for this video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.